OnlyFans, a name that has taken the world by storm in the past few months. From being an underground platform that nearly no one knew about, to having celebrities like Cardi B, Bella Thorne, and Michael B. Jordan joining the streaming service as creators. OnlyFans has seen a growth like no other. With over 90 million registered users, in this Behind the Business episode, we're going to take a look at the rise of OnlyFans and find out exactly how this under-the-radar streaming site turned into a billion-dollar empire. But before we continue, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be the first to be notified of new Behind the Business videos that we post every week. Let's begin. If you haven't heard of OnlyFans, what? Have you been living under a rock? OnlyFans is a content-sharing platform based in London. There are a handful of content-sharing platforms that allow creators to earn money online, Patreon being the popular option before OnlyFans snatched the crown. But OnlyFans is by far the most controversial, because for several years it has let creators upload any kind of content, including porn, and lock it behind a paywall. Creators are free to set their own prices and receive money directly from fans through monthly subscription fees, typically ranging between $5 to $50, or from tips and the pay-per-view feature. Unlike Netflix, you can't pay once and have access to all the content on the site all at once. OnlyFans was launched all the way back in 2016 by a man named Timothy Stokely, who at the time was trying to make a name for himself in the adult entertainment industry. He had previously tried to set up websites where people could request custom content from adult entertainment stars along with his father's help. These were the precedents of OnlyFans, which also, by the way, is a Stokely family business. Stokely had a light bulb moment where he learned about the prevalence of adult entertainers selling under-the-table services. They used to use Instagram to post photos and videos that promote themselves until Instagram pulled the plug by changing its policy and started cracking down on nudity and sexual content. The creation of OnlyFans provided a platform that bridged this huge gap in the market, bringing the under-the-table services above board and making it easily monetizable on top of everything. OnlyFans is a website with no official apps. Posting on OnlyFans is pretty similar to posting on Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. Creators can use it to offer videos, photos, and even chances to chat one-on-one for a price. The fact that entertainers could post just about anything here compared to other social media sites, which had tons of restrictive rules and regulations, gave them the freedom they needed to create exclusive content and put a price on it. Another great feature that comes with OnlyFans is the fact that creators have the option to mass circulate whatever exclusive content they create. So, unlike on traditional adult websites where you can only cater to one person at a time, when it comes to sending exclusive pictures or videos, with OnlyFans, you can take the same selfie and broadcast it out to the group who are willing to pay the extra price for it all at once. There are also tons of other interactive features such as polls and private notifications to increase engagement. Probably the only drawback is that OnlyFans takes a higher cut of 20% of earnings compared to other content-sharing platforms. But that's a justifiable platform service fee for such a convenient and efficient way to make money, right? Now, OnlyFans was a decently successful platform when it took off. The ultimate catalyst for its explosion into fame and exponential growth was what happened at the end of 2019. 2020 was the year that the world stood still. COVID was in full swing. Everyone was forced to stay in. And as humans, we need to find things to entertain ourselves with. And as such, OnlyFans started blowing up. In March 2020, OnlyFans gained over 3.5 million new signups, 60,000 of which were creators. Why? For many adult entertainers, such as those who earn their livelihood through in-person sex work, the pandemic has led to a significant spike in unemployment and income insecurity. When adult entertainers couldn't carry on with their routine work, they had to try and earn money and retain their audience one way or another. That was where OnlyFans came in. For instance, people who performed in clubs started doing private shows for their clients over OnlyFans. And that's how this new era for adult entertainment started. With OnlyFans, sex work became safer and returned control back into the hands of the workers themselves, which is the primary reason why the platform became so big so fast. These entertainers were able to carry out their work legally online and get paid better. At the same time, their privacy was also ensured thanks to OnlyFans' extremely strict regulations against any paid content being stolen or reshared anywhere else. once again protecting its creators like no other platform. If an OnlyFans user tries to take a screenshot or record a video of the content, the user profile would be subjected to banning if caught. But as notorious as OnlyFans has become for being an adult entertainment site, the actual value of the brand comes from the perceived intimacy that it creates between the creators and their audience. Unlike any other adult site, OnlyFans gives you the chance to experience what a day in the life of your favorite influencer looks like. Not just pictures and videos, but the platform also allows creators to host live streams, where subscribers can watch them perform or interact with them in real time. All of which shows how the platform really sells the idea of personalized intimacy and exclusive experience, where you can spend hours talking to the creators of your choice if you so desire, instead of merely consuming the content that they've created. You would be surprised how many people are ready to pay extreme prices just to spend a few short minutes with their favorite influencers, which goes to show how profitable the business model of OnlyFans really is, especially in the middle of a global pandemic, where most people are starving for some intimacy, even if it's online. Now, ever since OnlyFans has started to make its way into the mainstream online world, more and more people have started jumping on the bandwagon to make easy money. This includes already established influencers such as Tana Mongeau and Trisha Paytas, who have been extremely successful on OnlyFans because of their already existing fan base that wants to see exclusive content from the influencers. But this has also paved the way for OnlyFans to become much more than just an adult streaming site. People like home cooks and fitness enthusiasts are also joining the platform to cash in on its profitable business model, where they can make money for the content they create. The platform saw a huge spike in profits when rapper Cardi B joined the platform and posted exclusive behind-the-scenes content before the release of her new album. This led to tons of other celebrities like Michael B. Jordan, Chris Brown, and even DJ Khaled joining the platform to give their fans an up-close and personal look into their lives. At this point in time, the appeal of OnlyFans is huge. Why? Well, because of its business model that caters to not just the audience but the creators as well. The platform offers creators the freedom to post whatever they want by removing the barrier of strict guidelines, allowing them to offer a more authentic version of themselves to their fans. All of that while getting paid, of course. Unlike Instagram and Twitter, creators don't have to rely on sponsorships for money, which is what has made OnlyFans so successful. The platform now has comedians, DJs, gamers, and even tarot card readers who want to make a few extra bucks simply by posting stuff online. Since 2020, OnlyFans has reported a 42% increase in users, drawing in a revenue of more than $1.2 billion. And this number is only expected to go up this year, with the platform expected to earn $300 million in profit with its current trajectory, a 370% increase from $64 million last December. Even huge stars like Beyoncé are aware of the platform's success, using its name in their songs to create more hype around the success of OnlyFans. And all of this just goes to show that despite being a controversial adult streaming site in the beginning, OnlyFans has evolved into so much more. However, the primary reason behind the success of OnlyFans is still the way that the streaming site completely changed the adult entertainment industry. OnlyFans really caters to a wide spectrum of creators, from amateurs to professionals, while enabling top adult content creators on the platform to make as much as $100,000 per month. It also offers aspiring adult entertainers a chance to dip their toes into the field and a launchpad to help them start earning money right from the comfort of their home. In the month of August 2021, OnlyFans shocked the masses by announcing plans for an upcoming ban on explicit content in October. This ban entailed placing new limits on the type of content it will allow on its platform, potentially kicking millions of small entrepreneurs to the curb, specifically those of the adult entertainment genre. OnlyFans Cash Cow, its biggest revenue generator. Seemingly banning without good reason at first, they later revealed and claimed that banks were refusing to process payments associated with adult content. In response to the planned policy change, some creators have already deleted their OnlyFans accounts and moved to alternative services. After receiving widespread backlash over the planned policy change, OnlyFans has suspended its decision to ban such content within a week. But the damage has already been done. Creators and consumers alike have lost confidence in OnlyFans' credibility as a reliable platform. It's also worth noting that OnlyFans' official statement says the decision has been suspended, which indicates the policy may not have been canceled altogether. With this recent reversal, many creators are deciding between returning to the platform or leaving it altogether for a rival service. One such rival service could potentially be Twitter's Super Follows, which was rolled out in just over a week following OnlyFans' stumble. But regardless of their final decision, creators are sure to be wary of putting all their eggs in the OnlyFans basket from now on. After all, who knows when OnlyFans will decide to flip-flop abruptly on a whim again. OnlyFans was created to save creators from oppressive guidelines of other platforms and give them free rein on content creation. But OnlyFans eventually went against their own cause when they too had plans to switch up their policy to be the same as others, which would have defeated the purpose of their platform. Guess it's true that you either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain. Well, regardless, one thing is for sure. No one can deny that OnlyFans has been one of the very few businesses to have benefited from the pandemic. So, do you think OnlyFans will be able to keep their massive business boom? Or did this ban saga destroy their streak? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be the first to be notified of new behind the business videos we post every week. Be inspired, and we will see you in the next one. Since you made it all the way to this point, here are 2 more videos that we know you are going to love. Go on, click on it. You know you want to.